Puzzlets is a low-cost way to code a Dash robot without needing a tablet. It's a great concrete introduction to the coding commands as well. Comes with this bag of tiles, a rechargeable tray, and you use it with your Dash robot. It's pretty simple to use the tray. You just find this little tiny button over here and press it, and it will turn purple, and that pairs it with your bot. And then you lay the tiles in the tray to code it, and they only fit in one direction. So students can just lay them in there and decide what they want the bot to do. And to run the program, they simply lay the play tile in to execute.